Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC with a joystick. First, you will need to install a reliable Android emulator on your computer. This software creates a virtual Android environment, allowing you to run the mobile game seamlessly. Next, connect your preferred joystick or gamepad. This setup provides a more immersive experience and often offers greater precision than touch controls, giving you a significant advantage in battles. To get started, you'll need a computer with at least 4 GB of RAM and a stable internet connection. Next, choose a reliable Android emulator. Popular options include BlueStacks or GameLoop, both known for their excellent performance with PUBG Mobile. Finally, you'll need a wired or wireless joystick or gamepad. Many standard controllers are compatible, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. The setup is straightforward. First, download and install your preferred Android emulator, like BlueStacks, onto your computer. Once installed, launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. Then, simply search for and install PUBG Mobile, just as you would on a mobile device. Finally, connect your joystick to your PC using a USB cable or Bluetooth, preparing it for control mapping. Now for the fun part, customizing your controls. Within the emulator, locate the key mapping settings. Here, you can drag and drop virtual buttons to correspond with the game's on-screen controls, assigning actions to your joystick. Take time to adjust sensitivity for precise aiming and smooth movement. Once satisfied, save your custom profile. This ensures a consistent and highly personalized gaming experience every time you play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.